Welcome back to the channel. I want to keep this real quick, man. I'm doing a T36 recall on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is 2012 model. What's happening, it was towed in. That's why I'm saying, man, I try to tell y'all all the time, man, when you get these recall notifications, jump on them right away, because you would end up like this customer. I feels bad for her because it happened on the freeway. They had to call a tow truck and send actually she called a family member, sent her with a jump box, and they wind up killing their jump box. Okay, what's going on? This alternator, man, Chrysler found a defect in the dials of these alternators, and we are required to replace them. But we're not required to replace the battery. You yourself would kill the battery by prolonging getting your alternator done. This is free. This is a recall, a safety issue. Chrysler is willing to pay for this. Now, because she waited, she eventually, I think the only reason she here is because her car died. She might have the notification laying around on her dresser somewhere. The point I'm getting at is, if you get these recall notifications, to get them done. Now she need a $200 battery, and she had to spend $200 on a tow truck. All of that could be avoided, man. I want to keep this video short. This is a 2012 model. This recall came out last year or a while back. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and not assume she don't have the notification, but that's as a way around that. If you think you got any kind of recall on your vehicle, check with your local Chrysler dealer or send me your VIN. I would check myself, because I don't want you to end up on the side of the road, because this could have really got dangerous. What if it was nighttime? And again, you gotta be careful trying to jump this off, because that alternator back feed probe back to your jump box or your jumper cable and short out the other car or your jump box. So the best bet, when you see these notifications, get them done right away. Okay, this is T36. This recall also applies to the LH model, a lot of other cars, but I'm gonna focus on this Jeep Grand Cherokee right now with this 3.6 engine. Alternator recall T36. Get them done. If you have one, get it done. If you don't know if yours applies, send me your VIN. Leave it in the description. I will check it, or message it to me on one of my Facebook pages. But at any rate, get it checked, because you need to get it done. You don't want to wind up stranded, because this can easily be avoided. You can save $200 and another $200 on a tow truck. All right, that's all I have. I want to keep this quick. Oh yeah, comment, subscribe, man, so I can keep you notified on what's going on. I need subscribers, so comment, subscribe, and share this video, man. You might have some buddies that own a Grand Cherokee. Like I say, this applies to a lot of other cars, but we're gonna focus on the Jeep Grand Cherokee right now. All right, that's all I got, man. I want to keep this short and sweet. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.